Miles, have you had too much time in the Johnny Jumper? Oh my gosh. You better not break that. We got another baby that'll have to use that someday.
Dude. He's pooping.
Are you pooping?
Look at his eyes. Look how ready he is.
Are you pooping? Glad your daddy's here so he can change it.
That'd be good and spread out by now.
Hi, sweetheart.